In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fry and preserve plantain. Fried plantain can be used as a side dish for rice, pasta, beans porridge, and many others. It can also serve as a main dish when you want to have plantain and fried egg for breakfast. I will also be sharing with you how I preserve my fried plantain. Be sure to watch this video till the end. My name is Hadiza. Here is a warm welcome to my existing and prospective subscribers and to all my viewers in general. For our meal prep, we would need one big bunch of ripe plantain. Just in case you don't know, plantains have many health benefits. It aids digestive health, controls blood sugar levels, it improves heart health, boosts the immune system, controls inflammation, helps you feel full, provide quick energy because it has carbohydrates and is naturally gluten free. Just realized I got lucky with my purchase. I mean, look at the size of this plantain. I have never seen anything like it before. It is so big. And this video is not doing justice to how enormous this plantain is. Once you're done peeling off the skin, the next step is to cut the plantain into your desired shape and size. Just take a look at how beautiful this big bowl of plantain is. It's time to fry the plantain. Let's pour some oil into our pot. Once the oil gets hot, start frying the plantain in batches. Please note that it is important to fry your plantain on medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt before it is cooked. There you have it, our beautifully fried plantain. To preserve my plantain, I use the freezing method. The next thing is to batch your plantain into your plastic containers, let it cool down, and then transfer into your freezer. When you're ready to consume the plantain, simply bring it out of the freezer, allow it to defrost properly, and warm or microwave on very low heat. Emphasis on low heat. If you microwave with too much heat, it's going to get burnt, it's going to be dry, and you're not going to like it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe so that other people can get to see this video. Thank you for watching. Till I see you again in my next video.